Okay, truck build Q&A. Question 2 was from Jenny. Will we be leaving the outside of the truck the same, or will we get it wrapped? Now, this is a pretty hotly contended subject here. We have done our best to leave the truck looking as truck-like on the outside as we can, because then when we're stealth camping and parked up, it kind of looks like a truck. Like, obviously the PA door and the bikes give it away a bit, but it is essentially just still a truck. And doesn't really give it away for security and whatever other reasons. So for the time being, it is definitely going to stay fire truck red. Maybe in the future we might wrap it, but we kind of like the appeal of it looking sort of ratty and unloved on the outside, and then opening it up and it's our wonderful little cave we've made for ourselves in there, my lovely black hole. But yeah, one day maybe we'll wrap it. Right now we're leaving it as it is. It also means, like, if we drive through the bushes, like we drove through low trees to get in here, and it's scratched a little bit of the paintwork, but it's no big cry, you know. I haven't spent 10 grand to wrap it and then I scratch it and I cry about it. So we just have to worry less about little things like that, which is appealing.